Hello, my name is David. I am going to generate this data for Mockaroo and make subqueries. Um, I am use I use the daily query and the ML query for generate and update and insert the data. The different tools in this practice is SQL Yoke, XAMPP, Apache, MySQL, and the page Mockaroo, and the the more important is the Excel. Okay, let's continue. Okay, here we can see the database model, the author, and the book. This entity author, and this entity book. In this entity author first name, there are many attributes. For example, first name, last name, nationality, and email. The next entity book, for example, the title, the publication date, page, and phrase. Okay, now we go to the Mockaroo page. We are going to create this data. Open Mockaroo, this direction, and this create other field for this necessary database. For example, first name, check, last name, check, nationality, check. For example, like type data, it's other. For example, country. Okay. Not necessary restrict countries. Email address, email address, title, mobile title, page, number. This data is type int, for decimals it's 0, price money between 0 and 50 in dollars, date, data time. Okay, and change the update and format. This is important. The format, the examples, date, year, month, and date for this for our database. Okay. In this part, for we can see preview the number of rows and load in CSV and check the base preview. Okay, click and generate data and check your desk, your directory. Open the field, your file. We must separate into columns. Okay. And we go here and separate and create an Excel field again. Okay. Click in this cell and press the text in columns, delimitados, next, and separate with comma. Okay, and next. Okay. Okay, and that is it, friends. We have separate the entities and we check we have 1000 pages of data. Okay, we saved the document archivo and archive or file save with. Okay, in this, and we change the name and the extension. For example, books, name books, and Excel, no? Save, close the file, and we open the new format document again. The next part, in this document we give the table format. Okay, select all columns and press format table. Change, for example, the color blue. Press OK. Okay. The next, click on the first cell and select the columns and rows. Press datos. Delete repeat data. In this case, the names and surnames of the authors. Okay. First name, yes. Last name, no. Nationality, okay. First name and last name, okay. Press start, okay. In this part, now we format the date in year, month, and date. Column day, select all column date and select the format date. For example, more formats and type date and format year, month, and dates. Okay, year, month, date. Okay, check and okay. In this part, note that you have format the date. Let's eliminate single quotes that could give problem when importing the database. Do you see this part? Example, this part. Search, Control V, null, date null, search and next, no, or replace all, 64 replace, okay, there are not quotes. In this part, the price or select the cell and the repeat the past. Okay, search. Okay, and this sign is dollar or copy the sign. Control C, search, car, replace with null, date null. No data, we have all the data ready. We are going to create our database. In this occasion, open SAM, okay, and create the database with the name books BDD. Okay, the name the database is books, no, books DB. Create, and this occasion I am using a query SQL. Create table. Name the table is author. Author. Okay. Field attribute is ID. ID out. Type int. Primary key, no? Primary key. In this occasion is auto increment. Book. This is a structure the query for create the data the tables. Okay. To check the structure of the database books. Okay, the table author and book. In our tables that we just create, for example, the table author with this command: insert into the name table author. Okay, I don't know the name the table. For example, books database author. Okay, author. The attributes, that name, nationality, and email out. Okay, equals the cells with your content. Okay, select the first column, insert, Control C, the second, insert, okay, igual concat, and in double quotes, between one quotes, okay, for the quotes in this query, and separate and dot and com. Okay, select the cell and to take the quote, enter, and we have the first name between quotes. Okay, name and this. Okay, and select the old table and format the table. Okay. Change the A2 and replace with now. Enter and old data. Okay, and repeat the process with the other attributes. Okay, and copy in this part. Okay, this part. Okay, Control C. Okay, igual concat, and between the quotes, Control V. Okay, .com. Okay, and select and separate with com the attributes for insert in the table author. Okay, the name. Okay, select the name, .com, and use the double quotes and press the com. Okay, .com, and select the last name .com, the separate now with use the com. Okay, this okay, I don't name, nationality and email. Okay, nationality.com and email. Okay, enter. Okay, and I don't record the parent. Okay, okay, and okay, okay, okay. Okay, thanks. We can't copy and paste the insert the data, but for this occasion we are going to insert an author for each nationality. Okay, process the select the all table. Okay, and press the date. Delete the duplicate and select only nationality. Okay, nationality there and check. Okay, in this occasion there are 127 datas and copy. Okay, copy, Control C and open the queries. No, okay, eliminate and Control V. Okay, I see the element. Okay, we see we watch the quotes in this query. This is the problem. Okay, and open the block notes. Opened and paste. No? Press Ctrl F, Ctrl R and replace. No, double quotes and replace null. Replace all. Replace all. Okay. Process and many fields rows affects. Check. For example, okay, a subquery is using one side and another. For example, select ID out. This query. Select out. The name, the table is author. Okay, with where done the where email or name out equals in this occasion the first example define. Okay, this will be okay, and aquí acá. Okay, manually and vanilla. Okay, okay, Control C, and open the query. Okay, and Control V, and the last name out equals okay, the Control C and paste. Okay, one quote. Okay, .com and continue. Okay, and my answer is number 1. Okay, and click examiner, and okay, is number 1. Okay, press continue. Okay, the insert. Check and out. Datebook. Datebook is other attribute that I have one problem, but I know this is don't use the quotes. Okay. 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 Okay, this I don't use the quotes in this part. Control C. I edit, for example, continue. Okay, page, Control V, last name. Okay. Okay. Name word. Generate the new query. Okay. Concat. Use the title, page, price, and date. Okay. Title. Separate with the com. Title, page in this occasion. Okay, page. Page and price. Okay. Separate with the com. Price. Okay, price and generate. Open the quotes because the date it's between the quotes. Okay, aquí double quotes and the type right and com and open the double quotes. Okay, and paste this part to close the query. The type string, letter B, Control V, .com, and okay, I have other problem. I don't have problem. Why problem? Type and list and checks book price. Okay, value jingle. Control C. Late. Okay, and repeat and create the new query. Concat this location, this. Okay, Control C, Control V. .com and insert the dates. The title.com, the tip page.com, the tip price.com, the tip date. Date is the .com, the date.com, and close this location. .com and this location quote and com. Okay, and page the query. This location, this part, select and out. Control C, page, Control V, close this string and paste the name, the author. Come, open the string, the other part, the console, the query. Control C, Control V, close the quotes. .com and paste the last name .com in double quotes, paste the final query, this part. Control V and okay. This console is really okay. Copy the third date, because the 1 and 2 date I have insert with 1 or 2 console for the check example. Okay, Control C, delete the console. Control V, okay, the problem, the double quotes. Okay, repeat again. Control E, double Control V, and replace. Okay. Control C, Control A, Control V, and generate this many insert. Okay, continue. Oh, insert the double dates. Buenos Aires typo date. Oh, I'm improving the typo date. The type date is the type date. There are not have formats, no year, month, and date. Okay. Excel. In this occasion. Okay, this column is a problem. Okay, open the new part. Okay, and copy this column. The location is copy. Okay, select the old column. Control C. Okay, the number 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay. For solution this the problem with the date, we need select the other column and dates, text and columns, select delimit is the backslash, right, next, okay, and type, delete this part and select 3 columns and other days, okay, all dates 127, okay, next. Okay, in this part we are the concat for the import the, okay, this part, okay, escape, we are concat this part, okay, here is part with ga.com, month, year, month and date, month and date, day, okay, okay, yeah, this date, month and year, date emp, okay, format column, okay, and replace the date, year, this part is month and date, okay, Control C and here, okay, this part, okay, and select the name, insert new column and page, page, okay, Control C, Control V and right, building this date and I don't loading. That is my, okay, check, okay, occult, okay, okay, for compare, insert the new column and igual concat.com in between the double column and, okay, next, and replace in these queries. For example, in this date is the column 3, enter. Okay, and then replace this question. Okay. Okay, in this process, we select 2 rows, date, and the third. Control Shift, button, Control C, block note, Control E, Control V, and replace the double quote. Replace Alt, Control C, Control E, Control C. Open the file query, Control V, and check the okay, and fourth. Okay, there are these problems. This problem I don't solution. Build column. There are. Okay, last column 3. Okay. There are many problems. There are problems with this come and check. Okay. Control C. Okay. Open Control A, Control B, and check, because there are problems with the concat and the fetch these other dates. Okay, older dates on the same dates. Okay, for this query, you select name out, last name out, and from authors e this where ID in this the part interesting. Okay, is the subquery. Select author ID, author ID from, in this occasion is foreign key ID, foreign key ID book, from the books were 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 date book. uh, okay. Select this. Okay, this one more thing, these dates. Okay. Okay. And continue. There are many. There are one error. Book. Where are the book? Where book? Okay. Okay, in this part, next the create database and insert data, we go the generate question for queries. For example, how many authors have published on the same dates? Okay, in this, okay, the console. Select name out last name from table author. Where this is the part more important. Where id out the table author. In select foreign key from book where date book the date. For example, the in Merry Christmas, in Christmas. Okay, the after year. Okay, how many authors have published on the same date in Christmas? Okay, and query executes. Okay, Control C, and there are many authors in these dates. Okay. There are want a limit. For example, change the year. Okay. 2024 and November 1. Okay. Control C and continue. There are these data. Control C in this part. There are Control C. New. Open the new file. Control V. There are and eliminate this part. Okay, this part. Control C. Control C. Okay, this part is eliminates. Okay, eliminate. This part eliminate the outset, this part. And there are the the months. For example, this part, their name, last name, and with ID. Okay, in this section, the video, there are construct many and answer the question. For example, how many authors have published after November? Okay, there are unselect. They use unselect. Select. Okay, name and last name out, and generate the new alternative column, book sale. Okay, from author, join, generate join, join the author and book, and ID out, where on the date book is more than November, the 1st November. Okay, group by and ID out. Okay, group by. There are continue, Control C. Genial. Control C, Control C. Okay, there are part. Eliminate, Control B. In this section, there are questions for queries in this database. For example, how many authors have published after November? Okay, and this part generate the different questions and create the query. Okay, the query console. Okay, in this part, generate, select name out, the author, last name, the out. There are generate alter column, entonces that count all. Okay, this name, the new column is book sale, book sale. Okay, this other name, no, book sale. From author. In this part is generate the type K. For example, the author, letter A, and different attributes of the table identified with the new K. Okay, that A dot name, A last name. Okay, from author is join author and book. Okay, join book. Also generate other other K, B. On A ID out equals B, letter B, punto foreign K out, okay, equals where V, letter B, punto date book is more than the day, no, tipo date. In this, okay, 2024 November 1st, okay, and group bytes a punto id out, okay, in this part, and copy and continue. In this part, generate this the book sale. In this part, generate a alternative column. Can this other name, okay, and copy. Control C, open the new. There is, okay, control and generate, no? Format table, part A, in this part, book sale, this person, book sale in November, okay, and generate this query. For example, is the entity Gwendolyn book in November. In this part, these authors publication in after November 1 book, okay. The present others query, there are generate different reports. For example, in this part, price of books greater than $40, okay. This part generate and generate the older books. There are more information, but the next question generate the title book and book with more page, okay. This part is the 5 books with more page, okay. Select, will open the, okay, Control V, Control C, okay. This graphic, Control V, okay. There is Supreme, Control C. There are different page, no? Okay, Control C. Okay, this part. There are not copy in the element SQL joke, but in this Apache. Okay, Control C. Okay, generate new query. Control V. Continue. Okay. Are these different? No. Okay. Copy. Copy. Control C. There are open this Excel. Okay. Control V. This part is this is the data more information. Delete. Okay. Okay, the type title and page, no? Okay, generate. Okay, and generate, insert the graphic. Okay. Page number. There is no recommend because there are represent numbers and not letters. Okay. Generate, insert different graphics. For example, graphical bar graphics. Okay. This is the best represent page and the minus or plus number page. Okay, different question, different represent the graphics. Okay, opened. There is how many authors have the same book. There are examples symbol. There is one example, the title book. The cheapest books, there is select, and there is also different queries, but as different but as the same functions. Okay, in this part the graphics. Okay, thank you for your attention and see you later. Okay.